Can we slow down YouTube Shorts? Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you slow down or can we slow down the YouTube Shorts in YouTube app. So let's get started. On this process, firstly we'll have to open the YouTube app on your device. So simply have to open it. And now from here, you'll have to go with the section Shorts. It will show up here at the bottom. So you have to tap on this short. Alright, so from here I will show you that can we slow down or not. So for that I will have to like the shorts from here, and now from here you'll have to click on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner of this screen. So simply tap on it, and now from here in the playlist you'll have to go with the options like videos. So simply have to tap on it, and now from here you'll be able to see your like shorts on this section. So simply from here choose any one of these. Okay, so from here as you have to tap on three dot, and here you got options like quality, not interested, don't recommend this channel, report, send feedback. So unfortunately there is no any such features like playback. So if you have got that feature on your device, so you can go through that option. So in the playback section you'll got options to slow down YouTube shorts. So right now here is only on the quality settings, so I can only set the quality like auto recommended, higher picture quality, or I can choose data saver. So there is no any such feature. So in your case it might be available. So this is the informative video to you. If this video was really informative to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.